Right, so today's job is these big Leylandii trees here. We're going to try and get them topped, faced both sides, so we set up scaffolding in case we need it to try and get a bit of a line along the top. And we're going to get up inside here and try and get topped first, but we'll just do a quick wee cut in the inside here to give us a bit of space to drop the stuff down, and then we'll get cracking. Okay, so we have the far side done and we're just starting to top this, but there's not really enough to stand on in there, so we've brought this staging round and just going to get the legs under here and then go up. serious heap of cuttings here. Plan is to come back and chip all these, and then use that for like bark and chip up the side of the driveway, so do that later on. Okay, so that is the hedge cut. These were really a line of trees, so there was a serious amount that had to come off. Sorry if it's very windy here, and I'm guessing there's going to be a lot of wind noise, so sorry about that. So yeah, there's a big tall trees here. We took a serious stack off the top of them, so I haven't been able to get a very nice line or anything on it, but got it fairly straight there for what we can do, and hopefully next cut it'll be able to be straightened up a bit more. Pushed it back as far as we can. There's a lot of brine in it, so yeah, there we go. So again, thank you very much for watching, appreciate it, and catch you in the next one.